Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we got something exciting for all the SUV lovers out there. Exclusive spy footage of the upcoming 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC250 Prado. This brand new model has been spotted in action, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. Captured in a camouflaged outfit, the LC250 Prado is making waves with its bold new design. Just look at those sharp lines, modern LED headlights, and that powerful stance. Even under wraps, this SUV screams rugged elegance. It looks like Toyota is going all in to blend classic Land Cruiser DNA with a fresh, modern look. From what we can see, the new Prado appears to take inspiration from its bigger sibling, the LC300, while keeping things compact and versatile. Expect a more boxy and aggressive front grille, wider wheel arches, and a tougher-looking rear profile. Although the interior wasn't visible in the footage, sources suggest a complete tech upgrade. Think larger touchscreen infotainment, digital instrument cluster, and premium materials throughout. Toyota is aiming for a more luxurious, family-friendly cabin without compromising its off-road heritage. Under the hood, it's expected to share the same TNGAF platform as the LC300 and Tacoma, possibly featuring a 2.4L turbocharged hybrid engine. This would be a game-changer in terms of fuel efficiency and torque. Rumors hint at an official unveiling later this year, with global launches beginning in early 2025. If these spy shots are any indication, the LC250 Prado could become one of the top contenders in the midsize SUV market. So, what do you think about the 2025 Toyota LC250 Prado? Excited or skeptical? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest automotive news. See you in the next one.